Ever wondered what to do if your feline friend gets injured? Being prepared for emergencies isn't just about quick thinking and prompt action, it's also about having the right tools at your disposal. And that's where a cat first aid kit comes into play. You see, a cat first aid kit isn't just a box filled with bandages and antiseptics. It's a lifeline for your furry companion, a beacon of hope in times of distress. It's a toolbox of survival, equipped with everything you might need to help your cat in a critical situation. Whether it's a minor scrape or a major accident, having a cat first aid kit handy can make all the difference. It arms you with the means to provide immediate care to your feline friend, potentially saving their life while you rush them to the vet. Because when emergencies happen, being prepared can be the difference between life and death. So, what exactly should you include in a cat first aid kit? Firstly, you'll want to pack bandages. These are not only useful for dressing wounds, but can also act as a makeshift splint for a broken limb. Make sure to include both self-adhesive and non-stick types. Self-adhesive bandages are great for quick application, while non-stick ones prevent the bandage from adhering to fur, making removal less stressful for your feline friend. Next, consider a pair of tweezers. These are invaluable for removing foreign objects like splinters or ticks from your cat's skin. Opt for a pair with a flat edge to minimize discomfort during removal. A digital thermometer is another must-have. Cats are notorious for hiding illness, but a high temperature is a clear sign something's amiss. Look for a thermometer specifically designed for pets, as these usually have a faster read time and are easier to use. Don't forget to include a blanket. This can serve multiple purposes, from keeping your pet warm and secure during a stressful situation to providing a soft surface for examination. A muzzle may seem like an unusual choice, but it can be a lifesaver if your cat is in pain and potentially aggressive. Likewise, a leash can help maintain control, especially if you're in an unfamiliar environment. Next, you'll want antiseptic wipes for cleaning wounds and saline solution for flushing out eyes or wounds. These are crucial for preventing infection and promoting healing. Lastly, include a first aid manual designed for cats. This can guide you through various emergency situations and help you determine when it's time to seek professional help. While the internet is a wonderful resource, it's not always accessible, and a physical manual can be a lifesaver in emergency situations. Remember, these are only the basics. Depending on your cat's health condition, you may need to add more items. Remember, preparation is key, and having a well-stocked first aid kit can make all the difference in an emergency. Having a first aid kit is one thing, but knowing how to use it is another. When your feline friend is in distress, it's crucial to know the basics. Let's start with cleaning a wound. First, gently remove any debris with a pair of tweezers. Then, using a saline solution or a mild soap with warm water, clean the area around the wound. Avoid getting soap directly into the wound as it can cause irritation. Taking a temperature can seem tricky, but it's simpler than you think. Using a digital thermometer, gently insert it into your cat's ear or rectum. A normal temperature range for cats is between 99.5 and 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Applying a bandage is next. Ensure you're using a self-adhesive, pet-safe bandage. Wrap it snugly, but not too tight, around the affected area. Remember, during an emergency, it's essential to stay calm. Your cat can sense your stress. When in doubt, always consult a professional. Your first aid kit is there to help stabilize your cat until you can reach a vet. So, we've covered a lot today, haven't we? We've delved into the critical importance of having a cat first aid kit on hand. It's more than just a box of bandages and antiseptics. It's an essential tool that can make all the difference in an emergency situation. We've also peeled back the lid on the must-have items for your kit. From gauze pads and tweezers to digital thermometers and eyedroppers, each item plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and well-being of your feline friend. And then, we've walked through some basic first aid procedures. It's all about being able to act swiftly and effectively when your cat needs you the most. But while these tools and knowledge are indispensable, nothing replaces professional veterinary care. In any serious situation, always reach out to a vet. Remember, your cat relies on you in an emergency. Be prepared, stay calm, and always consult a professional when needed.